Kitchen 101. Cheese boards bring a lot to the party. Here's a few tips to build one of your own. First, pick 3 to 4 different styles of cheeses. Plan about 1 ounce of each cheese per person. Start with a soft cheese, like Murray's Mini Brie Round. Add a firm cheese such as Manchego or Parmigiano Reggiano. Then pick an aged cheese. Murray's Cave Aged Gruyere or aged cheddar are great options. If you really want to explore flavors, add a 4th cheese. Go for something bold and aromatic like Stilton or Gorgonzola. But if strong cheese isn't your taste, add a fresh goat cheese instead. Now, let's talk about serving cheese. To bring out the best flavor, remove the cheese from the fridge at least 1 hour before serving. And for visual interest, present the cheese in a variety of forms. Cheese is great paired with both sweet and savory foods, so include a few of both on your cheese board. Briny items like olives, hot and sweet peppers, or marinated mushrooms. Fruits like dried apricots, fig spread, or sliced apples are always a favorite. Choose 1 or 2 savory sliced meats like salami and prosciutto. Don't forget a little crunch from Marcona fried almonds or other roasted nuts. And finally, make sure to offer a variety of crackers, flatbreads, and baguette slices for serving. Between the cheese and accompaniments, cheese boards offer endless combinations. Find a favorite mix or try something new each time.